Song's called Non-Binary, and it's a love letter to those who are and the people who love and support them. We dressed you in overalls and rugby shirts. Then we defended you to the world. My baby's not a boy, this darling one's a girl. Though it wasn't a cause, it sure foreshadowed your world. Not one nor the other, either's fine with me. And you are loved, non-binary. Packaging's genetic comes along for the ride, but it does not reveal the truth of what's inside. To tell the truth, I understand the anger that some feel. For many years we had a girl, how can this be real? Took time to rewire the pathways in my brain and know that she or they, the person is the same. I thought it was just politics, being an ally, but over time I understood the truth of your life. And you are loved, non-binary. Now our government's steeped in toxicity, raining terror on anyone they please. But you can legislate identity, so we sing out